Hey guys, this is Mike with AutoA Collision. We're at our Simi Center facility. We are here with a brand new 2020 truck. The customer had a concern with the reverse light not functioning, and at the same time it malfunctioned their lift gate. And with that said, we're going to show you exactly what we had to do to get that thing fixed, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we are now. We're going to go ahead and show you exactly what faulted out on the reverse light and exactly why that faulted reverse light forced their lift gate to get stuck. So here we are, we're looking at the reverse light. It's a brand new LED reverse light. But if you look right through here, you're going to see the reverse light wire that was actually taped onto the back plate, which this back plate was secured here. Well, believe it or not, at the factory, when they secured it with this tape, this functioning motor ram right here that is worked with this control that moves the lift gate up and down. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. It goes up, it goes down, and this ram moves side to side. Well, guess what? What happens is at the factory, when they put the tape down to secure the wire harness, that wire harness came loose, grabbed onto this bolt coming out from the wheel, and as that kept moving side to side, it eventually yanked out the wire harness to the light. And here it is. This is the old wire harness that was connected to the plug. Well, guess what happened? When that pulled out and shorted out this fuse that is connected to this ram and this hydraulic pump, well, that fuse controls the lift gate, which is then controlled by this plug. So guess what? We had to replace the wire harness with a new plug. We're going to secure it well where it's not just taped on, so therefore when this ram moves side to side, it's not going to catch to this bolt, and hopefully it's not going to have any more issues with the reverse light or the fuse that controls the lift gate. So the next time they go on the road and they have a load in the truck and the lift gate doesn't go up and down, they're not going to be able to do anything. They're going to be pretty much a sitting duck. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and there's more videos to come.